All right, hey guys, welcome in today. I got a fun, fast, easy 5 quick Zentangle designs. There are so many Zentangle designs online. As more and more of my kids are getting into Zentangle, sometimes they just search random images on Google for Zentangle ideas, but I'm gonna give you a couple quick ones. Just before we get started here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. That's the easiest way to get all my free fun videos coming out every single week. Click on the button and bell for the easiest, awesomest notifications coming out to you. And now let's get back or started on our Zentangle. First thing I'm going to do with my sheet of paper is I'm going to start out with just 5 little boxes. Let's go through that real quick.
Got my 5 perfectly squared boxes. No, I'm just kidding. I just drew some random boxes. It's good practice to just draw squares. Just freehand. You don't have to trace anything. Doesn't have to be perfect. This is just a basically practice project before you do a clear
Zentangle project that you're going to turn this into. I just use this as a practice. You can use any type of Sharpie or pen or pencil even that you want. I got a couple different options here.
Do whatever you want. I'm going to go with a regular Sharpie Ultra Fine Point marker here.
As I want my kids starting to think about this, we start thinking about elements and principles of design, line being one of the most important ones, and shape, pattern a little bit, and kind of with movement in here, we start entailing some of the other ones. But first I want to start out with just 5 simple shapes, probably the easiest shapes you can think of, like triangle, square, rectangle, circle, and we'll throw in heart. Those are the 5 that I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do some simple designs in each one of these. You do not have to use these, but how I take it, the way my brain works.
Okay, first one I'm going to start off is a square, since I have a square here.
I'm going to start with a square in the middle, and then I'm going to do another smaller square, and then keep on building that a little bit bigger as it goes all the way to the outside.
Starts to get almost like that pyramid look. If you want to emphasize that a little bit more, you can always add those kind of lines to the sides.
And then you start thinking about a triangle because it kind of makes these little triangles on the side. So that's a good start for that one. For the square, let's move on to the triangle since we were just talking about triangles. I'm going to do a ginormous triangle in the middle of this one. And I like that kind of line idea.
So I'm going to go lines down this way. Pretty
good. And I'm going to switch it up on these little smaller triangles and do a line kind of in the middle. A little bit boring and plain yet, so I'm going to throw another little pattern since we're doing triangles. I'm going to go up, down, up, down. Over here, let's do circle now. A circle in the middle, and I'm gonna do maybe 2 more. 1, 2, and then I'm gonna switch it out and I'm gonna go to these outsides and kind of half circles. 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3. There, I like how that's looking.
All right, very cool. I think I can actually fit some circles over here to kind of fill up some of that space. I like how that's looking down here. Again, I'll start with that smaller, maybe heart in the middle.
Let's do kind of those 5 points. I like that with the circles on each side. So I'm gonna put heart in each kind of corner. You can see how my brain's kind of thinking. I'm just talking as I'm thinking.
Guessing kind of which way to fill in each of those spaces. I liked how those went around, so I'm gonna go around these.
Go with kind of an X. And I can kind of continue there. See if I can hit that same one over here, and then connect both of those.
I like that. Kind of makes it a little bit more of a pattern style. Do my rectangle. I've seen this one before, so I'm gonna see how I can do it. I've never really done this one, where it kind of goes down, over,
and up. It's kind of like twisted a little bit. I'm gonna turn my paper and do a little optical illusion here.
On here. So this is again just a little start just to get you guys an idea of different shapes. So I'm going to clean this up a little bit. So let's go through that real quick. So just doing that one took me a little bit longer than I thought, but kind of it's cool because you always get lost in your kind of art zone as you're going out through Zentangle. So I'm gonna make some magical powers happen on here. So I'm gonna flip this over and just bam.
Just like that.
Now they're a little bit more cleaned up and a little bit more precise.
And gives you a better idea of what I'm looking for or what you would be looking for if you did a full Zentangle project. There are
so many Zentangle projects that are just amazing and awesome. I really like that they're kind of coming back into popularity now with kids. Hopefully you found this helpful and can inspire you to create your own Zentangle project. So as always, I am Mr. Shooty. This is Mr. Shooty's Art Channel. We'll talk to you guys later.